Hello, today we will guide you through how to delete Facebook page from Meta Business Suite. To begin, open Facebook in your web browser and make sure you're signed into the account that has access to the page you want to manage. Once Facebook loads, look to the left-hand navigation area and select the page you want to remove from Meta Business Suite. In this example, the page name shown is a sample page, but you'll simply choose the page relevant to your account. After opening that page, find and click Meta Business Suite. This will take you into the business management area connected to your Facebook page, where page settings and permissions can be managed more directly. If the page takes a moment to load, just give it a few seconds before moving on. When Meta Business Suite opens, go to the top left area of the screen and click the Portfolio drop-down menu. This menu allows you to switch between different business portfolios or account groupings, so it's important to choose the correct one before making any changes. From the list, select the sample portfolio or the portfolio that contains the page you want to remove. Once the correct portfolio is selected, look for the Settings option and click it. This opens the main settings area for your business assets. From there, find Pages in the Settings menu and click on it. This section displays the Facebook pages currently connected to that portfolio. Now locate the page you want to remove. Next to that page, click Remove. After selecting Remove, Facebook will ask you to confirm the action. Go ahead and click the confirmation option to complete the process. Keep in mind that removing a page from Meta Business Suite is a management change within the business settings. It's a good idea to double check that you've selected the right page and the right portfolio before confirming, especially if you manage more than one page. Taking a moment here can help prevent mistakes. And that's it. You've successfully removed a Facebook page from Meta Business Suite. If you're following along in real time, you may want to wait for the system to finish updating before closing the window or navigating away.